Hello, teacher and guys. I will talk about the United States. The United States is located in the center of North America. It borders Canada to the north and Mexico to the south. The flag has a 50 star. The star represents the state of the United States. The capital is Washington, D.C. The most popular city is New York. The president is Donald Trump. The Statue of Liberty is one of the most famous sculptures in the world and is an icon. The typical food are the apple pie, the fresh chicken, pizza, the hamburger, and the hot dog. The more representative sport are American football, rugby ball, Kentucky Derby, is the horse ride. The most important celebrations are Easter, Thanksgiving, Homecoming, Martin Luther King Day, and another. Thank you.